Drop ball between number 21 and 0. Number 1 de Ramos. Pass to Ramos using the gas. Over sa scoring. Number 24, Bosque. Pass to number 20, Sagilid, Tumiran. No good. Bring up my nice steal to number 0. Number 0 gets the ball. Number 0. Pass to number 24, Bosque. Pero pumasok kay number 2 on the side. Pero. Number 2. Puts on foul. This one's the middle. The other post. Back to number 45. Number 21. Number 20, Ramos. Nag-aantang ang mga sinilang ko sa kanyang mga. Pinasay, Elba Number 11. 15 on the shot clock sa Post J. Post J, ang atake. Post J, by foul. Number 1. First foul, first team foul. Nasa kanino. Ay, number 45. Number 45 to Ramos. Ramos, finisha. Ramos. Using his body and size, no good. Representing on the ball, no good. Nagmamadali mabagal. Bandel, 2-0 later. 2. Using his signature, no good. Rebound by Kaiser. Kaiser, quality later. Rebound by number 0, Kaiser. Relax on down. Pass to number 11. Number 11,
Dapat tayo ko eh.
Quality to Bosque, hold the break on green, no good. Bosque, quality kung nila sa kita. Pass to Ramos, finish na pero, basket up, and 1.